just thought I'd show you what my creek is looking like right now. It's the worst in 26 years that I have been here. It is overflowing. It is past the banks, and still have 2 more days of rain to come. The main road that I came off of was like driving through a river. Thank goodness my little truck kept chugging along. I had water spraying way over the top of the truck. And for instance, there's the edge of my steps right there, and it's just nuts. Let me see if I can show you if it's over the banks here. There you go. See that? It is nuts. My driveway looks like that too. Crazy flooding. Worse than 26 years. Alright, just thought I'd show you a little. Bye.